subscribe.
Boy Shane, aka Black Duplicant. This is About Life podcast for all my lifers. Welcome back. I'm glad to have you. For all my newcomers, thank you for watching and welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe to the content. All right, so we can make more. Today, we're gonna start from complete scratch on researching a project. It's not gonna be a long video, probably about 10 minutes, right? So let's get into this, right? It's gonna start from complete scratch to show people how to properly research or where to start researching cryptocurrency. Of course, there's many ways, but this is my way, all right? This is how I do it. CoinMarketCap, as you know, it's already in my thing. That's how you put it out, CoinMarketCap. You can also do CoinGecko if you like. CoinGecko is really great. They're both really good, you know. But I do CoinMarketCap. All right, let this load up. Let it load up. Because remember, we're not going for technically accuracy with prices and stuff. We're just going for something that has a lot of projects to look into, right? So we're going to look through, okay, what don't we know? We know Bitcoin. We know Ethereum. We know Tether stable token, USDC stable token, BNB is Binance Exchange, basically, and then Binance USD stable token. We've already done a little bit of XRP. Mostly everybody knows XRP. Cardano, you might not know what that is, so we could do Cardano. We got Solana, which is a really powerful NFT platform. Of course, that's not all they are, right? There's more to it than that. It is a level 1. Cardano is also a level 1 thing as well, layer 1. I'm over saying level 1, not layer 1. But yeah, layer 1. Dogecoin's a meme token. It don't really have too much information out there for it. And then we got Polkadot, right? We could do Cardano or Polkadot, whichever one. I'm thinking Polkadot. We're gonna choose Polkadot. So we're gonna click on Polkadot real quick, and we're gonna see what is going on here. As you know, you can go to websites right here from CoinMarketCap. You don't have to do CryptoPanic. You don't have to do CoinDesk. You don't have to do Twitter. You can get some stuff right from here. So let's see. They have Explorer right here. Polkascan. Polkadot Stats. ESPN.com. Community. They have a Twitter right here. So let's check out their Twitter. Check out their Twitter. See how active they are with their Twitter, and then we'll go from there. All right, boom. Now you got Polkadot's Twitter. I am already following. If you're not following, follow them so you can get recent updates. They got their Polkadot network, which is their website, which is where we're gonna end up heading to next, right? Let's scroll through right here. They have a pinned tweet talk about introducing Unbounded, the first open source, freely available and on-chain funded font in the world. Very, very, very nice. That is interesting. Congratulations to Aventus Network on winning Polkadot's 26th Parachain auction. Parachain. If you are new to anything with crypto, anything with Polkadot, you might want to look into Parachain, right? You might want to look into that. I'm not going to say much about it right now. Maybe as we do a research, we could look into it. We'll see. Like I said, this is only an opener to explain where to start researching. We do not go super in depth on this channel yet. I will create another playlist where we're going super in depth into coins. Not yet though. My main focus is to teach people how to research crypto. As you keep going down, you got all types of stuff talk about their ecosystem was busy building, deploying, and growing. Check out some of the latest announcement and news from the Parachain team, infrastructure providers, and wallets in this week's. All right, so now let's go find out what's going on with Parachain and the whole entire network, right? And you know they got 1.3 followers. Polkadot's a pretty beast system. I know it's might be the second layer 1 that has basically a self-driven ecosystem, so to say. Probably not the best way of putting it, but they got everything they basically need, kind of like Ethereum, basically. If I'm correct, you can correct me if I'm wrong. If anybody out there really knows the big deal on that, but from what I've researched on my own And from what I've heard in the grapevine of crypto world, Polkadot's pretty beast, right? The multi-chain version for Web3 starts here. Learn parachains. Let's click on that. This is just how you start researching. You're just going down the rabbit hole, right? This is a blockchain unbounded. Parachains are advanced next-generation Layer 1 blockchains that transcend the limitations of legacy networks. Specialized and interconnected parachains make up a diverse ecosystem of independent platforms, communities, and economies, improving the way we connect online. Yes. All right, so now let's keep going. Parachain possibilities. So basically, from what it seems like, parachain is kind of like their blockchain, right? It's basically, that's what it seems like. So parachain equals possibilities. All right, as we keep going. Highly predictable transaction fees, low transparent fees. The parachain for every purpose. All right, blockchain use cases, DAOs. I don't know if y'all know about DAOs, but we'll eventually talk about that as well. From DeFi to identity and supply chain, gaming, NFTs, IoTs, DAOs, and more. All right, independent token economy. Interesting. Common good parachains. Parachain hubs, smart contract parachains. Parachains are autonomous agents. Parachains can act autonomously based on the will of their communities to participate in Polkadot governance and allocate on-chain treasuries. This opens the door to new decentralized funding models, from project funding to decentralized sovereign wealth funds, and even cross-chain mergers. Ooh, I'm loving what I'm hearing. I'm loving what I'm hearing on Polkadot. Parachains are digital. So what you're doing, you're going through and you're reading everything. You're figuring out what's going on. Here's this that we will just talk about with the auctions and stuff like that, right? With the auctions, you might want to come down here and get involved with this type of stuff. See what's going on. Click on the Learn More button. It's going to bring you even more in depth. And this is all you're doing. This is all you're doing. You're just going in depth, researching, reading, and finding out about the project, right? Now it's like Parachain slot auctions. It's going to tell you what that's all about, right? You could pause to read that, or you can come over here and do this with me. How auctions work. It tells you exactly how the auction. See what I'm saying? They give you everything you need to know if you just go in and look. If you just go in and look, it's telling you everything you need to know about an auction, right? Everything you need to know. You can keep going. Auction timetable. So there's like a little timetable for it. Sorry about that. Manifestation alarm. Thanks to Coach JV. Yes. So here we go. Auction schedule is what's going on with how the auctions work. Look at that. We're way past 2021. We're now in 2022. So that's probably something that needs to be updated on their end, or it's just basically telling us how it works. So probably don't need to update it. Auction ending period. Let's see. Okay, so start period, end period. Crowd loans. So they have loans as well. And let's go down real quick. Look at they even got a video right there on YouTube how to contribute to crowd loans on Polkadots. All right, so they got all types of good stuff. That's just like questions and stuff like that. But I want to go down and see what else they have here. Look at they got staking as a beta. Build. They got their roadmap, grants, careers, light papers, white papers, parachains, tokens, XCM technology, all that good stuff. And they have all of their media down here. They also have a Discord down there as well, which is something you should really get into if you're in crypto. Discord is something you definitely should keep your eyes on when it comes to crypto, right? All these chains, all these layer ones, all these projects usually have a Discord associated with them for their basically their private squads, right? The people that are really indebted into the project, right? There's people that have everything they own into this thing. There's people that, put so much funding in here and they believe heavily into these projects, and they're 100% in there, and there's nothing wrong with that. Some of these projects are beastly. Some of these projects are worth it, man. They really are. Like, some of them are pretty beast. They have a community tab for the community. They're very dedicated to the community. As you see, they even have wiki. Look at, see, here's all their stuff. Reddit, GitHub, which of course GitHub obviously gonna have that. Element Chat, which is get support. Discord, documentations. They even got a mailing list. So if you want to get, all your stuff via email. They got nodes. Talking about nodes. Teaching how to get involved, from running a validator on Polkadot to applying for Web3 Foundation grant. Right? So you could start your own basically your own project off them. Teaches you exactly how to do it, what you need. I'm telling you, man. Like, if you just take the little bit of time you have, a day, just to research each project, and then you have to be all day. Take a couple hours a day. I don't know, maybe dedicate like 3 hours just to researching projects. You'll be surprised on what you find, man. You'll be surprised on what you find. But what I'm looking for, though, is a team. Looking for a team. I wanna know who their team is. That's one thing I'm highly about. I'm highly about team. Not build, support, frag, roadmap. Maybe about will bring me to their team. That's something interesting too. The mission. What are they here for? What are they doing? Right? Here we go. Here's the team and stuff. The founder. This is what's mostly important to me. Is the team behind the project. That's everything to me. When it comes to me researching, and if I'm going to invest in something, I want to know who is building this thing. Who is behind this thing? Is this guy real? Is he serious? How long has he been doing this type of things? Is this his baby? Is this everything to him? If this is everything to him, he's not playing around. He's not going to let this project fail because this is all he has. Of course, it's not all he has, but it's his baby. It's what he's been put on earth to do, in his opinion, right? And that's something you kind of want to look into. Like, it talks about the founders. There's 3 of them, right? Talks about that. Some of their investors and stuff like that. Who they're backing. Get in touch. Then you join the team. I'm hoping that they talk a little bit more about the team, but you might have to get a little bit more in depth. Want to get involved? I want to know more about the squad, but maybe it's more in depth. Maybe I would have to go more into their actual like Discord and stuff like that to figure that out. But I obviously I will go way more in depth. This is literally just an open on how to do some research, right? That's all it is. You can go back over here and you can look at what else they have. Like what other things do they have here? The Polkascan, you could look into that. This scan right here, everything. Like, look into everything. You can come down here, they give you a brief description. They show you the market where you can buy Polkadot. Everything, the charts. You want to look at everything that's going on here. As you see, it's fell off a damn mountain, but everything has. And this is a great time to do stuff like this. This is a great time to buy in and look into stuff. So make sure you're researching and you're looking. So it gives you a small little introduction. Nowhere near their site, but this is something you can look into. Like, okay, all right, let me go really look into this. It's an open source shared multi-chain protocol. Right, and you can kind of go look around and read about this and figure out what's going on, and then do the deep dive, right? But I hope everybody kind of got a little idea on how to start, a good place to start researching, because everybody talks about research. Do your own research. Yeah, but some people don't know where the hell to research. You can just go to Google and type something in, because that could lead you down a really bad way. Like, there's some bullshit on Google, man. That shit could lead you like complete to a shit show. So here's an opener. An opener is CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, right? And then once you figure out kind of some stuff like that, you could take it over to CryptoPanic, and search websites and Twitter and all that good stuff. But I hope y'all enjoyed that. I'm pretty sure there's people out there that need this. And that's why I'm doing this for. I'm doing this for y'all out there that really are indebted and really want to know what's going on and just don't know where the hell to start. Well, here you go. Here's a good starter point for you. I love y'all. For all my lifers, stay tuned. So much more coming. All my newcomers, welcome. Thank you. Make sure you like, subscribe to the content. There'll be so much more coming. I love y'all. If anybody got any coins that they want researched, if they have any tips for newcomers, all that good stuff, put it in the comments below, please. They can use it. I can use it. We all can get better from this and keep improving. You know what I'm saying? We a team. We a squad. And we trying to better ourselves, right? We a community. So yes, we out of here. Black Duplicate About Life podcast. We out.